Number song and finger caps. Cut circles of about 5 centimeter diameter. Cut each of them into 3 equal parts. Make a cap of each piece using a gum tape. प्यारे बच्चों, आपको इस तरह से कैप्स बनाना है और अपनी फिंगर्स में लगाना है। चलिए हम फिंगर्स का सॉन्ग पढ़ते हैं और लुत्फानंदोज होते हैं। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 My fingers are 10. Let's count them now and again. Everybody has fingers just 10. Decorate them with paper caps that are so easy to get. Red, yellow, blue, purple, or is the white your best? How many caps everybody then should obtain? Each finger to have a cap, then the caps also 10.